Hello family, Sir here. In this video, I'm going to take you on a tour of the Compton floor plan in Heron Park by Pulte. To those of you who are new to the channel, thank you for joining. I am Sir Ashley. I am a local realtor and investor, and I'm licensed in both North Carolina and South Carolina. And my team and I service clients looking to buy or sell properties. Now, to those of you who are not new, you know that I don't like putting out videos every single day, and especially don't like putting out multiple videos in a day. But I was on location at this community just yesterday, and I saw people walking the different homes, and I spoke to a few, and a few of them just seemed a little confused and didn't know exactly how to begin the process and how to go about buying in this community. And they were getting confused by all the different models. So I told them that I will film everything, and as opposed to what I like to do, which is just hold on to footage and just release it when I see fit, I told them that I'll release everything in the next coming days so they can compare and contrast the different models, even though they're not complete. So you get to benefit from that. Come with me, let's take a look at this Compton floor plan in Heron Park by Pulte Homes. Pricing right now for this floor plan in this community is in the 420s. But before we take a look, if you want to know more about this community, be sure to check out this video right here, where I talk a little bit more about the community and what it has to offer in regards to its location. All right, now let's go look at this property. Now this is the Compton floor plan by Pulte Homes in the Heron Park community. This floor plan right now, as shown, is a 4-bedroom, 3 full baths, just about 2,200 square feet. Let's go inside and take a look. Now you do have a flex room right here when you first come in. And then when you come in from the garage, you have your laundry area right there. And then the home really opens up. You have the kitchen area and open living space. Right here is where the stove, oven, microwave will go. You see your kitchen sink. This is where your refrigerator, and then you have a pantry, as well as an island right here. And this is your open dining area we're looking at right now. There will be a pendant light coming down. That's where you put a table. Then you have your open living room right here. As you see, tons of natural light coming in. That's your primary suite. We will check that out in a second. Let's go to the 2 guest bedrooms. First, let's go to the bathroom. You have a single vanity in this bathroom right here. Tub shower combination. This is bedroom number 1. Now this community here on Park, Pulte is building all of these homes spec, meaning they're deciding what they're putting into the property. And then you, the buyer, get the convenience of just buying it and having a set price and having a much quicker move-in date. But it is imperative that you get an agent and you act quickly. Reason why I say you want to act quickly, because Pulte isn't going to slow down their building process. But you want to act quickly, get a property under contract in the beginning stages so you can conduct your due diligence throughout the process. Meaning your inspections, checking in on the property, having an advocate, an agent working for you. Here we are, we're in the primary suite bathroom right now. That's where the shower's going. Toilet, dual vanity sinks. You do not have a water closet. The toilet is right next to the dual vanity sinks, and here's your linen closet. Now the primary suite will have tray ceilings, nice large room, and this is your walk-in closet. Our number is on the screen. We would love to be your advocate and walk you through this process. If you're unfamiliar with the home buying process, I have tons of videos, or new construction home buying process. I have several videos on this channel walking you through it, and I'll be putting out more going step by step on what you should be looking out for. Let's go upstairs, see what that has to offer. I really like the Compton floor plan because if you have a teenager coming home from college or a young adult or just a guest, they can use this entire upstairs as a suite. This is a bedroom right here, and you have your own bathroom ensuite all to yourself right up here. Give me a call. My team and I looking forward to helping you. We've helped numerous people throughout North and South Carolina, and I personally help, I want to say, hundreds of people throughout the years in the greater Charlotte area. We look forward to hearing from you. I am Sir Ashley, and please subscribe, hit that bell icon, because I'll be releasing more videos in general, but also more videos showing more floor plans in this community. I'm Sir Ashley. Talk soon.